New oven has black, red, white, green wires. Home wiring has black, white, and bare copper wire. How do they go together?
Welcome. My name is XXXXX would be glad to assist.
Okay.
Newer ovens are 4 wires, that is now the normal. Older home wiring will work with the following connections: black house to black oven, white house to oven red, bare house to oven white and green.
Any concerns about grounding the appliance?
The green will ground through the combination connection to the bare wire on the one end, and the other should already be connected to the frame.
Okay, thank you. XXXXX all.
If my assistance has been of help to you, please give me credit with '3, 4 or 5 stars / smileys rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.